Hey traders, welcome to Optimize FX, and Optimize FX doesn't just only work with Forex and gold and indices and things like that. I'm also interested in crypto, and I come across this GitHub repo just by chance. I was on Facebook and this guy was saying, hey, I've just built a fully automated crypto trading system, and it uses AI, but not the AI that you think it uses. It doesn't use ChatGPT, it uses neural networks. And it does training and things like that, but it currently connects to Robinhood. Now in Australia we don't have access to Robinhood. We can't even create an account, so that was a big no-no for me, and that kind of sucked. But I do know a bit of Python, and in doing that I had a Bybit account, and I thought, well, I'm just going to create a Bybit API wrapper and just chuck it in there and see if it works, and it does. So I'm just going to go through what PowerTrader AI is in a nutshell, just quickly. We're going to have a quick look at it because I think it's really cool, and props to this guy for creating it and making it open source. It's really awesome. If you are a bit of a tinkerer, you like a bit of Python, you can program a little bit, then this project is for you. But if you don't know anything about programming or anything like that, this is probably not for you. Or if you haven't done any trading at all, this is not for you. You do need some experience on how to get it running and connect it all up and run commands and things like that. So with that out of the way, let's have a quick look at what this GitHub repo is and where you can get it. You can get it in the link in my description below if you're on Robinhood. But if you don't have Robinhood like me, I've created a Bybit one, and I'll put that link in the description below as well. I'm not after any money for this. I'm just resharing something that's already open source. And yeah, I just made a Bybit wrapper for it. So let's have a quick look. PowerTrader AI is a fully automated crypto trading powered by a custom price prediction AI and a structured tiered DCA system. Now, if you're wondering what it kind of looks like, so it's an instant-based KNN kernel-style predictor with an online per instance reliability weighting used as a multi-time frame trading signal. ChatGPT on the type of AI used in this trading bot. So there you go. You can have a read through all of this. I'm not going to go through it right in this video because when you go to the repository, you can just read all of this and take it all in. Rightio. So this is all kind of how it works, and this is all set up, and first time user, it's for Windows. I think you probably could run it on devices like Macs or Linux, probably. I don't know. Haven't tried it. I've only run it on Windows. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have Python. You download the repository to your machine, and you install the requirements, like you install the setup tools, you install the requirements, then you run pthub.py, and if you're wondering what it looks like, this is it running right here. And I've connected this to my Bybit demo trading platform, and demo is something that I wanted to do first before running it live. I'll get into that shortly, but let's have a look at how it's gone. And this has only been running for 24 hours, would you believe? 24 hours, and it's already done one trade. Now that it doesn't have any history here because the trade history JSON file that it created on my laptop, which it's running on, isn't available on here. I just booted this up just to show you how it's going and what it looks like, basically, which is pretty cool. So let's have a quick look. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to select your coins, but before you do that, you need to hook up all your API credentials. It's gone over there, and you need to hook up what your main neural folder is, where all the trading data is going to go. You select your coins, and then in here you can select Bybit or Robinhood. Now I've created the Bybit connector, and it's pretty cool. So you just go to here, set up. Oh, it's gone over there. I'm not going to show the API key in secret because they are there. And then you click on use demo, click test connection. It should connect, and then you save your credentials, and then Bob's your uncle, it should connect. So I'll just cancel out of that, and then once you've done all that, you hit save. I'm not going to save because I don't need to. And boom, you're in here. Now this one's running right now, but when you first started, it won't have any information about your account. It'll say total account value NA. All of it will be NA. It won't have an account value, won't have anything like that. Right, so the first thing you do is that you select, you need to select your coins that you want to trade. And I'll just, on Bybit it had BNB on here and it didn't like BNB, so I removed it because I don't think BNB is a pair that you can select. So I just removed BNB, I added BTC, ETH, XRP, Doge, and you can add more coins if you want. But I believe they are spot coins, so it needs to be /USDT. And we can check that by when you, we'll cancel this. When you go to train a coin in here, it'll give you some information on if it's an error or if it's training. You'll be able to see if it's training or not, and you'll be able to see if it's an error. It's pretty easy to see in here. So once everything is trained, you'll have here training ready, all trained, and then you hit start all. This one is running right now, and you can see here that this is the thinker and this is the trader, and it currently has one open trade, and I'm not sure if it's in profit or loss right now. There might be bugs. There was quite a bit of fiddling to get this going. If there is, let me know in the Bybit GitHub repository. So it's running right now. It did close a trade, and the trade was the Ethereum trade. It was a long, and it went from 141 to 148,000 in like one day. This is mine, PowerTrader AI Bybit. It should be public, and I'll share this link with everyone if you're interested in running it. And yeah, so that's pretty much how it works. Yeah, it's been running. It did make a profit. It does have DCA trades, so dollar cost averaging. So if a trade does go against what it predicts, then it will dollar cost average into the trade. So this is the BTC one. This is the DCA here at 87.541. So yeah, I'm not sure if any of this works correctly. And one thing that I didn't think of when I was adding the Bybit connector was that Bybit has a WebSocket connection, so I could probably have this running through a WebSocket. Anyway, future realm can deal with that. But anyway, this is PowerTrader AI, the Bybit version, if you want the Bybit version. Otherwise, you can have the author's Robinhood version. If you do find it that it does make you money, please donate to Garrod Steve. I think that's his YouTube channel, or I think his YouTube channel is called Making Mate Easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share something cool with you all. If anyone is interested in things like that and want to collaborate with me, and we can compare kind of how it goes. But yeah, I think it's really, really cool. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.